back. This is Jeff Steves on Feature Set 2.
Their stuff's real nice. Oh, but I can buy the same damn thing on Walmart second price. Still sexy, just as sexy as those models on TV. No, I don't need no designer tag to make my man want me. You might think I'm trashy, a little too hardcore, but in my neck of the woods, I'm just the girl next door. Hey, I'm a woman, I ain't no high-class broad. I'm just a product of my race, and I say, hey y'all, and hee-haw. And I keep my Christmas lights on my front porch all year long. And I know all the words to every Tanya Tucker song. So here's to all my sisters out there keeping it country. Let me get a big hell yeah from the redneck girls like me.
I can say one thing, when Bigfoot's done, I think we're going to have to do some track work before we can start pulling trucks.
Fired off.